Menteri Sarkar Rakkam sangma hakisngi balang laong bagi Paidbah karilum Garo kin Shuh na Ailad Shuh banang pen Khie yaki Kynhun Kaikhlaw namar kilangnya batmat yaki jing namar kikam Kaikhlaw hakine ki arpos nembala lekno. Menteri ulakren yakane halok jing penmi kubor halok kala ban pen Khie Biang yak Garo National Liberation Army GNLA ka Kynhun GNLA regrouped GNLA R kabala pen pau yasibun ki isu ki bakta yak rilum Garo yang ba kerensan social media. Menteri laong bakum kine ki jing pentip de yak ban hap pen shishabha.
I don't have any details, but I've just seen only in the social media clipping somebody sending to WhatsApp and the Facebook, but I don't know how true it is. But let us, our police, our diligence is doing the due process, and we are yet to identify. But we are well equipped enough. But I don't know whether how true it is. I'm still yet to be convinced and digest to me. But as of now, I don't think so. Because why? Many people experience the thorn and the pains for last 20 years about the militancy. So I don't think, I don't know, it maybe happens so. When it happens so, I don't think so. We are well equipped to take the challenges. Our police people are well equipped to.
Well, this group claims to have formed on 7th February. It's almost a month now. Why do you think that our police have failed to actually nab these people if they are into militancy?
Police are on the job. They will do their due diligence and you wait. I think time will tell you what happens and what the outcome will be.
Do you think that unemployment is one of the reasons why the youths are getting back into the path of militancy?
No, I don't agree. Yes, there's an issue of unemployment, but in view of the unemployment, the going to the militants is not the solution. It's not the answer for them. Look, for the Meghalaya, lots of entrepreneurs can be come out. The business can be taken out. We are shortage of teachers. If anybody educated, qualified, they can become the teacher, they can become the engineer, they can become the doctor. So I don't think so. This is not the root cause of the issue. So I think for any as of now, any what you call those are serious to taking up the business to become entrepreneurs, we have lots of programs. CM Elevate, Yes program, Yes Meghalaya, Prime program, Skill Meghalaya. There are many programs has been launched by the Honorable Chief Minister for the youth of our state. So I think like I don't know what's happening or what's happening again. But if it is true, but our government and our police will do the needful.
But is it because of their unfulfilled promises, the government promise and it wasn't?
To what? What?
They
What
may
they
have
promise?
having some demands.
From?
The government.
I don't know what their demand it is. Right. No, if their demand is genuine, yes, government will examine. But I don't know what his demand it is.
Your area was also affected in the past.
I know. I'm like a dictionary of the militants. I know in and out. Where to go, how they went, which way they used to go to Bangladesh, where they used to stay, where they working on. So we have experience. Enough is enough. The militants comes even to my house before many times. So they have come and have put in my house too many times. What to do before I become the MLAs? This is what we have experienced challenges.
But then you are
And we have seen our people killing in front of us on the road by the militants. We've experienced enough is enough. So I don't think people will support. They will get support of people. No.
So, legislator from Gambagre, he has said that maybe the government wasn't able to fulfill their demands, and also we have seen that even the HNLC, the talks have been cancelled. So maybe it is because of that this regrouping is happening. But the fact remains that it has to be verified. So what is it taken?
Look, these things to be verified. What the demands it is. First, we have to know, right? If the demands is genuine, yes, definitely government has to find a way. But yes, A has a different view, we have a different demand. So, but negotiation is only the way forward. Be it SNLC, be it GLA, be it any other. If there is an issue, discuss, debate, and decide. But the survival, living in peace is far important than anything else. There is no substitutions than living with the peace.
Then why youths?
There are some boys. Who don't want to work also. Especially in Garo Hills, na? In Garo Hills, there are many boys who don't go to the school, who don't listen to their parents. They just work aimless. What they will do? They have to create nonsense in the community. This is what is happening. But I think so. The people of Garo Hills are wise enough today to respond and reply to such a pains. I don't think people of Garo Hills will have enough is enough, and I don't think so. They will not be able to regroup. They will pay the price. Their own job, but now we are yet to know whether it's this circulation is true or not. If it is true, government and the police and the society and the people will do the needful. So that's, I don't think so. This time the militants will not be easy to regroup again. They have to think 100 times before they do all such things again.
So you are saying that the people of Garo Hills.
Definitely, we have enough is enough. I have experience because we are the reason in my district we've experienced a lot of pains during the militant time. We have seen our people killing in front of us, the highway, killing the mothers, killing the young people, beating up, right, destroying the houses. We have seen all this, and now for the last 10 years, we are peaceful. Like Garo has become like a heaven.
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center